In this video, let me teach you how to fix WhatsApp cannot join group link. So if someone has sent you a group link and you're having issues joining it, the first thing that you need to check is if the group link has expired or it has been revoked. In this situation, what you simply need to do is ask the group administrator to generate a fresh link. So this is the most common reason why this happens. So once you ask the administrator, your issue should be fixed. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is also ensure that the group administrator has not blocked you. So in certain times what happens is if the group admin has blocked your account or blocked your number, this may also be the exact issue that you're facing. Now, whenever a lot of people join a particular group, what simply happens is the rate limit exceeds. So you just need to wait out at least a few minutes, sometimes even of 24 hours, before you can join a group. As I said, if a lot of people are joining a group all at once, you may be facing such issues. So by doing these few steps, you should be able to fix WhatsApp cannot join group link. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.